Welcome student. Today we study the topic that is the tillage. Tillage with soil is the connection. Tillage with soil is the connection with different tools and implement. We see tillage operations are the important in various crop which results various advantages. So initially we study what is tillage. Soils serve as a natural medium for the growth of plant, but in its natural state it is not ideal condition for the growing of certain crops successfully. So the different tillage operations are required for the different crops. The beating action of raindrops, irrigation and subsequent drying of soil surface, stubbles of previous crop are remain into the soil, then the various attack of pest and disease on previous crop, these residuals are remain into the soil, and the activity of soil should be regenerate, so that tillage operations are required. And with the help of tillage operations, soil brings up to the fine tilth which is required for growing of different crops. So these are the important for tillage operations. Tillage practice is the old agriculture, and Jatro tool propose that the plants are absorb minute soil particles, hence it suggests through the ploughing and other operations are necessary for bring the soil in an ideal condition. So Jatro tool is known as a father of tillage. So we initially study the definition of tillage, the physical manipulation of soil with different tools and implement to bring the soil in a good physical condition for better germination and subsequent growth of the plants is known as a tillage. Then second concept is appeared, that is the tilth. What is the tilth? It means the physical condition of soil resulting from the tillage operations which are carried out is known as a tilth. So the tillage operations, the tillage of soil is consist breaking up hard pan and compact surface to the certain depth, and other operations that are the follow for bring the soil in a good physical condition, that is fine tilth for the plant growth. The manipulation of soil is with different tools and implement with an object to make a soil surface loose and pliable, bring the favorable condition for seed germination, seedling establishment and growth of crop is also known as a tillage. So the tillage operations are classified in following groups, that is the preparatory tillage. The preparatory tillage is also group in a primary tillage and secondary tillage. Then the seedbed preparation, and next one is the interculture operations. Then the farm operations are also given, that are the harvesting. So we initially study the preparatory tillage operation. There are different objects of tillage that the soil make loose and porous. It will enable rain or irrigation water to infiltrate into the soil easily, which results in reducing loss of rainwater and soil due to runoff and erosion. Due to adequate proportion of micro pores and sufficient amount of water will be retained in soil for the crop growth, and losses of water due to percolation. So next one is to aerate the soil. The different metabolic activities or process of living plants and microorganisms continue properly into the soil. Due to adequate air and moisture, desirable chemical and biological activities take place rapidly, and it results rapid decomposition of organic matter and increase the organic carbon. The gases are like hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and next one is the oxygen, nitrogen. These are required for soil into the soil for better aeration and pore space when soil in solid state that time and it is dried. That time the pore space between two particles occupied by the gases, different type of gases. So better aeration of soil is enhance the germination of roots, that the development of roots, root penetration, and improve the activity of microorganism which is living. So third one is to increase the soil temperature or maintain the soil temperature. It is mainly proper amount of air and water in soil is also required, and it is expose the soil to the heat of sun, and optimum soil temperature in activate the root zone of crop, and it is necessary for the proper functions of plant root, and it is useful for microorganisms. So soil temperature is important. When we dug out the soil as a pit, that time we feel the warm soil. So soil temperature is important for the different activities of plant and microorganisms. Then to control the weeds, the tillage operations, the major function or major object of tillage is to control the weed plants, and the different tillage operations like there are ploughing, next one is the harrowing. Frequently harrowing is remove the weed growth time to time, and so that plants are easily absorb the nutrients and they do not compete with weed. So, and optimum space for the growth or development of plant should be required or gets. Then the proper sunlight should be received to the crop development. So, and therefore yield is increased. So the weed control is the main object of tillage operations. Then the remove of stubbles. Deep ploughing results to remove the stubbles of previous crop and other sprouting material like bulbs, stolons, suckers of different plants should be also removed and clean out the soil. So next one object is the destroyed the pest and disease insect residuals. The many insect and pest residuals are remain into the soil after complete the life cycle of certain crop. That time it remain into the soil and it majorly attack in next season crop. So it is the important that the tillage operations are also reduce the attack of pest and disease or destroyed the residuals of pest and diseases like as a fungus. During the summer season, summer deep ploughing results expose the soil in sunlight and it allow to destroy the residuals of pest and disease due to high intensity of sunlight. So it also help the control the pest and disease. Next one is to break the hard pan of soil. The frequently tillage operations reconstruct the soil structure and soil always remain in better condition, but soils which are neglected or tillage operations, these soils are become hard and compact. In order to reduce the tillage operations year after year, that results or that leads the subsoil surface remain as a hard and compact as a like rock, and it does not allow to penetrate the root into the soil as deep as required, so that the excess irrigation water or excess rain water is also stands into the field and waterlogging conditions are appear, so that the frequently tillage operations results to break the hard pan of soil and improve the drainage condition of soil, so that the soil particles are easily absorbed as a required or as a sufficient moistures, and soil remain as a fertilized or fertile. So student, in this video we study these objects, then the incorporate of organic or bulky manures or mix the organic manures, then the improve the soil fertility, and last object of this tillage operation is to make a good or proper seed bed, that the cotton seed required soft and fine and also clean seed bed, then the gram crop seed required porous and rough or clouded seed bed, then the jawar seed required compacted seed bed. So these are the objects of tillage operations. In next video we study the different points of tillage topic.